Pest, plant diseases and insects are serious limitations to agricultural productivity, as this results into loss of household income levels, food security and low yielding among farmers in third world countries like Zambia. To protect and limit the damage to crops from plant diseases, pests and insects, the Center for Agriculture and Bioscience International (CABI), in partnership with smaller community conservants in Mwandi and Kazungula district of Western and Southern Province, conducted a 10-day training to equip over 50 officers in the Ministry of Agriculture and lead farmers into plant doctors at various plant health issues and identification of plant diseases. Speaking shortly after the 10 days training, Mr. Henry Mungomba, who is the Deputy National Coordinator for Plant-Wise Zambia, disclosed that with this knowledge equipped to the trainees, they will be able to give good and quality advice to the farmers.
So during the program, we were able to train the officers and the lead farmers in identification of diseases. In other words, what we are saying, right now they are able to identify various plant health problems. They are able now to differentiate bacteria and fungal infection, viral infection, nematodes, phytoplasma and so on. With this being equipped to them, it means therefore that they will be able to give good and quality advice to farmers.
He further urged camp officers and farmers to use environmental friendly chemicals which are recommended by various international protocols.
We are able to facilitate the teaching of biological control. And under the whole program, Plant-Wise, and this training, we were emphasizing to farmers and also the officers that chemical control will be done as a last resort. The priority is the options, the green options, cultural practices and other practices. When those fail, that is where when chemical control will be options. Furthermore, it is not all chemicals which should be recommended, only those which are friendly, and also to avoid the use of those chemicals which have been banned or restricted by various international protocols or agreements.
And during the training, Mwandi Block Officer Keith Mwenda thanked CABI and smaller community conservers for bringing the training on the right time, as this will have a double impact to the farmers in the district, for the reason that they would have known how to use the right chemicals with the right diagnosis and achieve high yielding.
Say this training has really refreshed my course of study, and it has also brought new ways and skills of handling pests. So the whole purpose of the training is to teach us on how to diagnose different diseases, pests, and how they attack the crops. And after you have done that, it helps you give the right recommendation on what you need to use in order to eradicate the problems that you are facing as a farmer. So this course has a two-way impact. It has impacted us officers by bringing us to speed with the right measures that we need, the control measures that we need. And also, it has also a double effect, because even the farmers at the end of the day, with this knowledge that we have acquired, the farmer is going to benefit. The farmers will have more yield because they have known how to use the right chemical with the right diagnosis.
Inonge Sinabu, a young female lead farmer from Kakulwani Agricultural Camp, disclosed that the training has made them realize that it's possible to achieve good crop stands through various methods of farming they have learned from the training and how to use chemicals.
We've learned so many methods of farming. I think the training was just so good. There's a lot that I've learned from this training.
The exercise, which lasted for 10 days, skilled staff from Simalaha, 10 agricultural staff from the Ministry of Agriculture, and 36 lead farmers who received plant doctors' certificates after the training from both Mwandi and Kazungula district in Western and Southern Province. This training was an initiative by Simala Community Conservance and Center for Agriculture and Bioscience International Kabi with facilitators from Plantwise, Zambia. Siminga Paul reporting for NAIS in Mwandi district of Western Province.